teacher Amy. I'm a professional music teacher. I teach piano and guitar until advanced level. And also, I can teach ukulele and violin for beginners only. I love playing music instruments, especially piano and guitar. And also, I can sing at the same time. And also, I love traveling. That's why the name of my YouTube channel is Musician Travelism. Now I'm going to teach you how to play feelings. Feelings is okay. I don't know who sing it, but maybe the original. There's Spanish version and English version, and by Maurice Albert. Okay, now let's play it together. Left hand is only single note, and the left hand part is the one that has box here on the top, the notes. Okay, the notes are the one that's in the G clef part. It has already the letter names of the note, so it's easier for us to play and to learn this song. Okay, ready? So every time it aligns the note and the box, the note that has box, that means you have to play it together. Okay, here that means only left hand, and together also here, both hands. Okay, are you ready? Ready? So start with A with the left hand, start with E with the right hand. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Feelings. Left hand. A, B, C, A, E, A. Then this part D. A, B, C, A, E, A. Then left hand G. B, C, D. Left hand C. E. Then E, 2, 3, 4. We have to repeat this part. Feelings. Left hand A. Nothing more than feelings. Okay, then this is D alone. A, B, C, A, E, A. Then left hand G. B, C, D. Then we have to jump to the second part. A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, sorry. Then higher A here. Left hand is F. Okay, higher A or A2 was here. Okay, ready? Feelings. Then D minor. D, A, same G. G, F, E, F. G, G. G, F, E, D, E, F, E, F. Then next part is F, E, D, C, D, 2, 3, 4, left hand A, 2, 3, 4. A higher A, A2. Then left hand is F. Feelings. Left hand D, A, the same G, G, F, C, G, G. left hand A. G, F, E, left hand D. F, F. Then left hand G. B, B, C, D, left hand C. E, left hand E, 2, 3, 4, left hand again. E, A, E, D, D, C, E, D, D, C, D, left hand D, A, E, D, D, C, E, D, D, C, D, left hand G, B, B, C, D. If you want to play it again, Felix, you have to play this one, but we're going to end here. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and subscribe and like. Thank you. The sheet music of this is in the description below. The link, you can download it and print it. Thank you.